update you, and you're once again welcome to MES on Construction. So, discuss all things engineering, architecture, and 3D modeling. Today, we'll be learning in Protastructure how to design your foundations, and we'll be actually designing a powered foundation in this tutorial for today. Now, to design your powered foundation, you need to have done your structural analysis. You need to have designed all the components of your structural element, and in order to do that, you need to also make sure that you are on your story 0. And when you click on story 0, as we have done right now, you realize that you can no longer use your columns, your walls. You can use beam, you can use slabs, because in case you're designing something like a raft foundation or a beam raft or a slab raft, you need this too. But notwithstanding, what we need to do now is we are on our story 0. Then we can actually go down here and insert a pad and pad base. You also have the option of strip here, strip footing here, but we are not going to be doing that today. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be inserting a pad foundation right here. We're going to be inserting a pad foundation, and you can't do that in your 3D mode. You can see that as I'm clicking it, it's not going. So you need to do that in your plan. And when you come back to your plan now, then you go to your story 0 for the plan, and you see that you have your columns right here, and here you can actually try to insert your pad foundation. So you can insert your pad base, by going here or just straight up going here to insert your pad footings. Now what we need to do is we have all these columns here, and then we already evaluated the load that each column is bearing, and we have a temporary spring that imitates the behavior of the foundation, but we still need to design the foundation itself to know exactly what we are working with. But before all else, you need the properties of the soil to design your foundation. And if you are designing a pad foundation, you don't just design pad foundation based on the fact that you just want to design a foundation. You design pad foundation based on the recommendation of your soil test or the nature of the soil in the area where the project is going to be executed. But it's always more advisable to design based on the reports of the soil test.